Want to make $50 a day using just Google News and ChatGPT? Here's how to do it in minutes. Go to Google News and search for trending topics like health, tech, or finance. Pick a hot news story that's fresh and relevant. Copy the key points of the article, then head over to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite the story in a blog-style format or as a YouTube script. Now post the rewritten content on Medium, Vocal Media, or your own blog. These platforms pay you based on views, reads, and engagement. To boost traffic, share your post on Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups related to the topic. Use eye-catching titles and visuals. Use Canva to create a thumbnail or banner. Repeat this daily with trending topics, and you could make $50 or more every day. Want more AI money tricks? Hit like and follow for the next video. Subscribe for more AI money hacks.